Putop.Shop is an online store that claims to offer incredible deals on various products, but is it really legit or just another scam? After thoroughly examining the website, several red flags stand out, including vague company details, lack of clear customer support information, and prices that seem too good to be true. While some customers report receiving their orders, others have experienced long shipping delays, low-quality items, or even missing packages with little to no response from customer service. The website design and policies also raise concerns, as they resemble other questionable e-commerce sites that have been linked to bait-and-switch tactics. Payment security is another issue, as there are reports of unauthorized charges or difficulty in obtaining refunds. On the other hand, some buyers claim they got exactly what they ordered, which makes the overall verdict unclear. With mixed experiences and potential risks, shoppers should be cautious and research thoroughly before making a purchase from Putop.Shop.